told this is like one of the OG spots, so I'm gonna go and check it and see what it's saying. You see by the handiyan already. Come, yes. Yeah, man. Different. They always do it different here. Check the size of them chapli kebab out. Mashallah, they're on it. So yeah, Sajid Shahi. Nice little place. Looking really good. I'm gonna try them out. See what they're saying. Got a good little touch to it. It's a big place though. Kind of a bit quiet today. Do you know what? First look at them, look absolutely banging. Look at them, man. They do them differently, like the same brum. That looks banging. Thank you, bro. So yeah, I got the chicken ones, and you know what? They look banging. Look at them. Like the flavour is gonna speak for itself. Bismillah. Oh, see, Yassi.
Very nice.
Banging, yeah? Check the chop kebab out. It's not big, they'll have to break it up. Oh well. Let's check it out on its own first, see what it's saying. Nice. Very nice. You know what? These look like some banging kebabs. We're gonna test it out, see what it's saying.
Sauce. Chutney. Yeah, it is sauce.
Let's see then what they're saying.